taking time to tweak my regular pattern so it looks like a mess, but I promise you it works. So here is my back. This is the back of the pattern, and this is the front. Of course, I cut out the neckline so that it can be an open jacket. So I'm making an open jacket here, and I'm going to be using from our children collection this, maybe this also, this, and the stars of the show. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I'll be exhausting all of them, but I want to start with this, and maybe this, then we'll go from there. Because my pattern has all these lines and I was looking to make a particular design in front, I'll just flip it over to the plain side and we'll work with that. Okay, let's start. This should stop here, right? Stop here. So I'm going to include some allowance. This is my first piece. And I can just pin this to here. We'll make this, guys. First piece done. My next piece will be on top of this. Okay guys, I'm done with the first part. This is the second part of the front. Now that you've seen the process of how I did the first one, I'm going to do this off camera and I'll come back, show you, then we'll do the back together. I'm done with the front. Now that I'm looking at it, I think that I don't like this. Maybe do this. It should look better now, I think. So let's do it again. And action. Okay, yeah. It looks a little bit better. Now we move on to the back. the back. I'm going to go and sew everything down. Ow! Remove the pins and I'll come back to show you. Hello, I'm back. I stitched everything. This is what the back looks like. This is the front. I'm going to join the front and the back together. I joined the sides, left a little bit of open here, finished the hem too. I want to put like a shawl collar all around here using these pieces. Sew it like this. When I get here, I'll put this one all around and then this one here. I've been able to come up with one sleeve. I have this and this left for my second sleeve, so I think I can make it.